All right, it's IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Foreign food.
Yes.
So, have you ever tried foreign food?
Yes, I tried foreign food. I whenever I go with my families outside our friend, I always like to order foreign food like burger, pizza. So to answer your question, I always have foreign food.
Okay,
with
or
me.
you can say, have you ever tried foreign food? Yes, once I tried a frog. It was yummy. And then I tried crocodile. Wow, amazing. What a divine taste. And now I'm planning to try some cats. Just joking, okay? Not like this. Do you like to try new food, new dishes?
Yes, of course. Whenever I go in new places, I always try their food to develop new taste. So to answer your question, I always try new.
Okay, now don't use to answer your question again. If you use it with every answer, it's repetition. It'll bring your low bench score.
Okay.
What kind of new food have you tried recently?
Recently, I went with my family to a Chinese restaurant.
Chinese restaurant?
Here, there we order their famous dish, but I do not remember.
I don't remember the name of the dish, but it was very nice. Come on,
I
shoot
did not remember that name, but it was very good and tasty, and I love to eat.
Very good. This is good. It's better than before, but still you need to go on. Fluency pe focus करें. Now, let's go on. Did you save money when you were young, when you were a child? Did you save money?
Absolutely, yes. Whenever I got money from my parents, I usually saved them in a secret box for later use, especially to get some sweets and candies.
All right.
That's why.
So you saved money for sweets and candies.
Yes,
now, are those candies still sweet?
No. Yes.
No? Okay. Right. Have you ever given money to other children?
Yes. As I am elder, so mostly I give money to my younger brothers, and in this way they become more happy and
Okay. Do you think parents should teach their children how to save money?
Absolutely, parents should teach their children about money management, because it's a practical approach toward the real life. In answer to your question,
To answer your question, I think it's the duty of parents to teach about money management to their children.
Yes.
Okay, and try to use different words. Okay, do parents give pocket money to children in your country?
Definitely, in my country, I would like to say most of the children go to school on the condition of getting pocket money. So it's a common thing in my country to get pocket money.
All right, that's good. Thank you very much. Overall, it's fine. Okay, just keep it up.